tailwind waves here. It looks pretty cool.
They're passing us. They're trying. We're clipping here at full power. 3 knots.
This is full power. Can you imagine the other day? We would have been over there.
I'm telling you, yeah.
Yeah,
We would have been in big trouble.
I would have been done.
I'm gonna power down just a little bit as we approach the dock site, coming into the harbor.
First stop of the day here.
This is what happens when you're not full power.
Yeah.
The wind and waves, the towboat catches up with you.
A lot of gear on there.
Yeah.
150 liters of bag weight plus the gray one.
Well, we got all kinds of shit in there.
Yeah. That's that gray bag I snagged during the summer. It's in my awesome chair, and I just cut the bag. I use that bag for wood every day. It's awesome.
Very nice and calm back to the backside of this island.
There's no leaves yet.
Alright, I'm going to prepare for docking procedures here.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Captain speaking. Please put your food trays in the upright
We're going to
position.
dock at Crate Island. And,
Crate Island, yeah.
We hope you enjoyed your ride so far, and I will go here and relax for a minute.
Please wait till the vessel comes to a complete stop.
Can't even see the docking spot right now.
Just cross right there.
Oh, that wind.
And they're pretty good.
It's going to let us kind of let the wind take me into the docking spot here.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
It's a good 4.5 feet deep though, anyway, right there. Alright, camp one. Whoa.
Wow.
Yeah, broke it right off.
We didn't put a hole in it, we broke the stick.
It's looking good.
Okay, man, why don't you disembark there right quick?
Alright, I'm out.
There we go.
Already stretched my hernia. Yeah. Camp one. Sona's been there with the water. This little spot up here, actually. Down there. I'm coming.